back. I got a bit of a rant today, so we're just going to get right into it. I bought a product a couple of years ago for the cottage, a chainsaw, and it's been headaches ever since. I, I bought it and I used it for probably a couple of weeks, and then after that I always had this issue where I would do a couple of cuts, the chain would come loose and come off. I would tighten it back on, put it back on, tighten it up. It would happen again. I'd do a couple of cuts, chain would come off again. I brought it back to the place where I bought it. Constantly. I've done this like at least 10 times. I brought it back already. And every time I get a different excuse, and it's always being blamed on me, because I'm not a super experienced woodsman with the chainsaw. So they blamed it on me. I wasn't sharpening the chain enough. I wasn't cleaning out the sawdust. I put the chain on backwards. It was just excuse after excuse. And to be quite honest, the owner was very rude with me and my wife. And honestly, I think every time I bring it in, they're just throwing it in the corner and they're calling me back in 2 weeks and telling me it's fixed. So I just wanted to give a little rant about it, and I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. So here's the chainsaw here. And it's a Stihl. And it's a Stihl MS291C. And it's supposed to be an easy start. Well, if you look here, usually on a chainsaw, you have two bolts that are going to keep your bar in place. But instead, they replaced it with this plastic piece. Well, the last time I brought it back in, the mechanic put this part on so tight that, look, like the chain barely has any give, and that's not good. You're going to burn out your engine by doing that. So anyways, I tried it again, and it did it again. So I'm going to start it up, and I'm going to show you, and we'll see when it comes off. There it is. Look it. Look how much it came off. If I would have kept going, it would have came right off. And tell me that's not that's not danger. So look it. Now, like it came loose. And that's the problem. This part keeps coming loose because it's plastic. How is plastic going to keep a piece of moving metal going that fast? How is that going to hold it in place? So anyways, even Stihl themselves, they have not given me any good customer service at all towards this. It was, take it back to there and they'll fix it. Well, I brought it back like 10 times and I've had it. So that's why I'm doing this rant. And I'm a little bit pissed. I don't know if you can tell I'm getting a little bit heated about it because, man, I got a lot of stuff to cut out here. And, even when I first bought this, we'd ordered a big order of wood that we used for our cottage. And I could barely do any cuts with it. I had to borrow a neighbor's chainsaw so I could finish cutting my wood. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, come on, there's no way this should be doing it. Like, how many cuts did I do? 4, maybe 5? That's absolutely ridiculous. So, you know what? Still, you guys give horrible service. And I really do not recommend this product, especially this one right here. If you ever see that and you're looking for a chainsaw, do not buy that one. It is horrible. I'm surprised that nobody else has complained about this yet. Anyway, I'm done with it. I will never buy another Stihl product. And I actually bought this at Geo Saw Sales, and I will never buy another product from them as well because they don't back up the products that they sell. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess, when you pay $600, $700, $800 for a piece of machine, and then this is how it works, and they don't want to back up their product, it's absolutely ridiculous. I can't stand that. Back up your product. I had an earpiece a couple of years ago. It was for Bluetooth for when I'm driving, so I could talk on the phone, and it broke on me, and it was a year past the warranty. And I called the company, or I emailed them just for shits and giggles, because I figured it was past, they weren't going to do nothing. Well, you know what they did? They sent me a brand new one, free of cost. So there's customer service. You want your customers to come back, treat them well. So Geos, Stihl, you guys will never get my business again. I'm done with you guys. I guess I gotta go spend another $800 on another chainsaw that'll work. Maybe a Husqvarna might do. So that's all my rant for today. So it's a short video. It's not one of my best videos. I don't like doing this stuff, calling people out, but pick up your customer service. Treat your customers better. They pay good money for this equipment. Fix it. Thank you for joining me. Have a good week. Be kind to each other. Take care of each other. Peace out.